from Alleppey.
Clap your hands, your parents.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar.
Clap your hands. Give them a huge round of applause.
My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata.
Wow.
My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara.